Welcome everybody. Welcome back to off-grid 12-volt solar prepping. Okay, I'm gonna pick up where I left off at. Earlier, I had just installed my inverter, my Noble Pal 2000 watt pure sin wave 4,000 watt surge protection inverter. I just connected the wires to everything. I put my L clamps on to hold my battery. Okay, now that that's done, all I have to do now is just place my lancet on this cable, my terminal connections. Okay, that's what I gotta put on there. Terminal assortment. They're called ferrets, something like that. All right. This is the one I need. The gauge wire is a 22 gauge. 22 gauge. Let me see. That's the right gauge.